All right. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jalen Dolls, of course, and this is Jalen Unplugged. Today is Tuesday. We're trading gold once again, so let's go ahead and jump right on these charts. Um, Yesterday, if it wasn't for TradingView acting dumb and taking me out of my position early, like we still made 380, which is good, but bro, instead of a 1 to 5, we could have held all of this, like literally all of it. Yesterday, I don't know because I haven't edited the video yet. I'm gonna do it after today's trading session. But yesterday, we took this sell and we got taken out of our position like somewhere right here. Right after this pullback to the top, I was trying to set my stops right above this level here. And for whatever reason, while price was coming up, it just took me out. Like we didn't even make it to where I wanted my stops, but it took me out right here. I'm guessing because I haven't gotten there yet in the footage that I'm editing. I'm guessing that I hit market instead of limit, and it took me out immediately as soon as I clicked the button. So I'm guessing that's what it was. Maybe it was user error. I don't remember because it was kind of a lot going on. Like you see how this is chopping so fast. So I was looking to set a limit right above this high and I just got taken out. It sucks. It really, really sucks because if I would have had my stops here, we could have held this entire move, at least for this first portion to like the low here. And that could have been a 1 to 32, or maybe I would have gotten stopped if I would have trailed to the high here, or maybe into the high here. But even still, that's a 1 to 17. Bro, so annoying, but it is what it is. That was yesterday. Let's go ahead and start with today. So starting on the monthly, we definitely look bearish. We do have some wicks at the bottom, so we could be looking for a potential buy. Last candle, just like yesterday, small body. Our body is still lower than where that body closed. But it looks like we are rejecting off of something. Now coming to the daily, we are now bullish on this candle. We have respected the low. Uh if this bearish candle was that pullback, we could be looking for a buy. It could be happening. We don't know yet. So now coming to the 4 hour, we definitely look bullish because we had these lows taken here, and then we continued to make a bearish structure here. We had a pullback and then a drop, and then we swept that high, swept another high, and technically we did take this high. We just didn't close above. We wicked it. Mm. That is the only thing that's making me kind of iffy is that we wicked it instead of taking it. Now, price did come back and fill this gap that we had here yesterday. We did come back and fill this gap. So we could be looking for another sell if sells are active because we did sweep this low right here after that push. Yesterday with our sell, we swept this low. So it is possible to take a sell, especially because we have not filled this gap completely. We came close, but we did not fill it completely. We have a gap here and we have a gap here. So technically, we are still bearish, especially if you're looking at overall price action instead of just current price action. We were trending up, then we sold off, took these lows here, and then we started to push up again, did not break any highs, and then we swept these lows again here. So it is possible that we're still bearish. Looking on the daily, I mean, we're still under this high. So I think we still might be bearish. I do think that. So now coming to, well, let's go back real quick. So on the 4 hour, the only zone I really see is this here. And then we're gonna get a little deeper and see if we can refine that. Ooh, perfect. So On the 1 hour, we do have a supply right here. It's not a strong supply, but it's still a supply nonetheless. And we are respecting it. Let me change this color and make it a little brighter. And we are respecting it. So it is possible for a sell. And if we do sell, we do have gaps here to fill. So, hey, hey, we might sell. We might have another sell. It's 7:46. Looking at the 30, I don't see a zone. This is the only thing I don't like. I don't see any zones. On the 15, hold it. We got a zone. Nah, not really. I don't know if I could really count this as a zone. But we're gonna use it nonetheless for now. So we have this 30-minute candle here that could be where our zone is. Hey, look at that. So let me make this something like that. And then we have a better looking supply right here. So I like the supply and it's within this. So I like this. I'm not gonna lie. And on the 5 minute, we are flipping bearish. We're trying to sweep these lows right here, right now. And if you look, we also have a demand. So if we can take this, we're taking sells. If we could take this low, we're taking sells for sure. For sure. Then the only thing I would be looking for would be to respect up here. We do have another 3 minute zone. I don't want to mark this just because we could sweep this and respect in this zone up here. We could sweep this out because it's still early. We are breaking lows though. So I think I want a sell for sure. It's just going to be a matter of what we do when we come back up here. That is what I want to see, is what we do once we come back up to the top. And it is 7:48. Uh, let's go back real quick and see if we have any demand that we could be looking to take. Wow, that's hilarious. As soon as I came back, I found it. So we have a demand here. As you can see, that is what pushed price back up when we started to drop. I just want to make sure. Yep, so on the 15, as you can see, that is the demand. What we got on the 5. And on the 5, if you look at this, we have another demand right here. So this would be our target of where we should be looking to get out, or at least having stops very close after tapping, because we could reverse after tapping here. Because overall, on the current price action, we are bullish. So let's not forget that we are somewhat bullish. Somewhat. Not 100%, but we are somewhat bullish. And that is a definite demand. As you can see, price came up, respected this low, making this our new demand zone, and price shot up. So I think we should be looking for a sell unless we come straight down. Like if we continue to be bearish and we just trend down, and then we'll be looking to take a buy over here. But what I would need to see for me to want to take a buy down here would have to either respect this low or sweep this low, come into this red zone, or maybe even the turquoise zone. But I would want to see the red zone possibly, just because I don't think it was. Oh no, it was tapped. But the red zone is our 5 minute demand. And that is the only demand that we have down here. So if we were to respect this low and then push up and then come back to retest it, I would take it. But I would want to see this 5 minute red zone get tapped and then push up, come back and respect it. That is what I would like to see. But the better setup, just because of all these gaps, would be a sell, especially because we are tapping off of a 4 hour, a 1 hour. I think this was a 30, or was that a 15? One of the two. It was a 15. The 15 and then the 5. So 4 hour, 1 hour, 15, 5. It just makes sense. We are bearish. We are taking lows, not breaking any highs. So if we can come back, respect this high off of the blue zone, it'll be beautiful. But if we come back, sweep this high and respect this high over here, I'm cool with that too. But in that case, I'll be waiting for the push down and then come back to retest. But if we come back and respect this high, I don't have a problem taking it. I don't. So let me mark the high there just so I have my eye on it. Because I won't be able to see it as good on the 15, as you can see here. Once we get into the 15-second time frame, you can't really see where the high is unless I zoom out like that. And I hardly ever have my thing like that. I normally have it like this so I can pay attention to what's going on. But that should be what our setup is today. I'm not gonna cap. Today looks pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. It's just a matter of waiting and seeing what we get now. Whatever price wants to do, we gonna do. Let me pull up my charts on my other screens. I want the hour on this one. No, man, I want the 30. All right, so the 30 got 7 minutes left. Over here, we're gonna have the 5 minute. And the 5 minute got 2 minutes left. Even it looks like it's trying to go for the buy, and I don't like it. I don't like it. Because we just respected the low, and we still haven't broken a high. I'm not taking a buy. We still have not broken any highs. The only thing is that we respected the low, but that's it. We didn't even break the high on this. And we just swept that low. Nope. We waiting for the sell. We are waiting patiently for that sell. Even though I'm pretty damn sure if this closes bullish right now, that bitch is gonna run. Should I just do it with one contract? It's a bad idea. It's a very bad idea. Very, very bad idea. We're doing it.
Order filled.
$22. It is what it is. It's a very bad idea. It's a very bad habit. I hate that I just did that. But I got a very strong feeling that this could work because of all this buying pressure that we have in the market. Like if we didn't have any buying pressure, I definitely would not do this, but we do have buying pressure. So let's just see what we can get. It is what it is. But I don't really see this going too far for sure. I don't even know if I'm gonna get that 125. I just put it there just because you never know what happens. But I don't want to see this area get broken, so we shall see. Yeah, we definitely lost. I knew it. I knew it. That's my fault. Should have been patient. But I definitely feel like this cell should be good. Just need to wait for it to come back. So we came close to that high, but we didn't take it. The 5 minute, we got an instant rejection. The 1 minute is trying to close. They got 36 seconds left. Come on, come back and retest, bro. Shoot back up. Damn, it's not gonna retest. Damn. That thing tapped and left. I mean, maybe, but I don't like how far it went. Zion, chill out, bro. Oh, wait, we might get it. So I'm in on one account.
Order filled.
Fuck it. Oh, I didn't go heavy enough.
Order filled. Order filled. Order.
Close. Fuck it. Close. Oh no, I should leave this one running. Nah, close. Let's go, baby. Let's go, Zion. Hell yeah. Let's go. Chill out. Only I could do that. I'm happy with what I got. I got in and I got it in a consolidated market. Back up, Zion. Get off of me. Move. All right. So that's gonna do it for me. And we are getting the hell off of this computer. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, stay unplugged. Deuces.